Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification. NEWLINK's top vlogger. Big up NEWLINK's cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Greetings and blessings, my viewers and subscribers. So my people, I just want to share this experience with you of how a scammer all the way from Nigeria, my people, try to scam the attacking boss. You understand? But on a real level, this is the attacking boss of people. We work on the media. We know all about them. You understand? So I just the wrong WhatsApp number they manage to call or manage to contact. Because honestly, my people, they ain't gonna catch me. They ain't gonna catch me. No matter what. They could have tell me some I win the world. They could have tell me some I win the next life. They ain't gonna catch me, my people. They ain't gonna catch me. You understand? But good. You see me? So, and today now in the morning, the people, like a little after 10 in the morning, so a few minutes after 10, on Monday, August the 12th, I saw my phone ringing through WhatsApp. My people, you see me? First, I decline it. You see me? I decline the call. Then I stay so boom, research the number. When I research the number, my people, I saw where it's coming from, Nigeria. Also, I saw information show where this 234 code, area code number, when I see it a call through WhatsApp, it's a code where these scammers in Nigeria use to contact people. You understand? So anytime I see this 234 number calling the phone, it is where scammers use it to target people. You understand? Tell them so them win this, them win that, them win that. You get me? And when I stay about my people, I might say, no, NEWLINK, you can use this call now, as awareness to spread out there to share to your viewers and subscribers them around the world. So I stay about my people and I call back the number. First, no answer. Texts are coming. We can't talk now, we are so busy. Call back again, boom, 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 we are so busy. So I said, let me play the game. So I do send them a message to people and just explain to them, say, look, you were trying to call me, I'm trying to call you back. So if you can't answer back my phone call or talk voice to voice, you understand, then it make no sense texting. When them see that now, my people like them say, oh, seem like we can't win that one, man. Like him seriously want to hear what we have to say. So they say, all right, then we call you back on another number because such and such, this is the business number. And basically the person say, I will call you back on maybe the personal number or something like that. So I stay some boom now, my people, and they manage me say, okay. So them call me back. And my viewers and my subscribers, I just come to boom and take my another device and the store. You know what? I'm going to just record this phone call, put it on speaker, my people, and then I record it, my people. So I'm going to share this conversation that I have with them, my people. And in the end, I do have to run them way and tell them straight up on the F word. So you don't know what channel this is what? Over 18. You don't know that thing they go. You understand? That's why we have guidelines about our channel. So if you hear me curse the F word, my people at the end, you don't know we have to put them in them place. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Because a lot of people being victim to these scammers because they don't understand the fullest. And them not take things like how me that take it. But you don't know the thing. So just listen to this NEWLINK encounter this Nigerian scammer.
Yeah, good morning, sir. How you doing?
I'm doing great. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning. How's your family? How's you and your family?
Family is okay.
Yeah, sir. We don't call with that number. That number is a business account. You understand? So this is the private number. That's why I called you right now to confirm, to let that the CEO just hand over your package right now to me right now. That's why I just sent you a text message.
Yeah, so this package is for what?
Yeah, we have 10 luckiest winner in Toys and Kiko's Iceland right now.
Oh, so how winner for what? Winner for what?
Because you guys' WhatsApp number was selected among the luckiest winners. So you guys are just only 10 people that prize with Toys and Kiko. You won the sum of $800 and the money Samsung phone.
Oh, so it's like a lottery.
Some t-shirts. Huh?
It's like a lottery. You just randomly won something like that.
Yeah, that's why I said your WhatsApp profile was kindly selected among the luckiest winner. We are doing some promo right now, and the CEO just handed over your package right now to me.
Wow. Okay, so how do I get this stuff?
I'm going to send your package to the team. So when you receive the package, just send the photo. When you receive the package, you're going to send the photo to me right now on WhatsApp right now. So I just call.
No,
Twice.
you're breaking up. I can't hear you good because the phone is breaking up.
The network is bad, sir.
Oh. So you said what?
So I said you want the sum of $800,000 and a smartphone and some t-shirts, something.
Okay. So
yeah,
how do I get this?
I'm gonna send your package to the DHN delivery. Do you know the DHN?
No, I don't know that.
Don't know DHN delivery?
DHL?
Yeah.
Oh, that's similar to FedEx.
Yeah.
Okay.
We work with DHL, we work with FedEx. But right now your package is coming over to Choice and Keycoins with DHL. So sir, we just call to confirm if you're interested in claiming your winning price, so we can hand over your package to the DHL man, so you can make your delivery over to your doorstep.
So how do I get the money?
I'm gonna send you a form which you have to fill. Right now we just only right now you're gonna give it to right now. I'm gonna send you with the account right now. Okay? So you fill out, send back to you and me.
Okay, and where are you calling from?
I'm calling for you from the Caribbean.
No, where are you? Where are you located?
Okay, I'm from USA.
Oh, but you sound like an African though.
No, I'm not from Africa. I work from some Galaxy company.
Okay. Well, I'm Jamaican, and I know a lot about scamming because I'm a scammer. Okay, so you're calling a scammer. So fuck you.
Huh?
Fuck you. Straight up. Get off my phone, man. Get off my phone. He's a thief. Stop scamming and thieving people. Okay? You are Nigerian, need to stop. So you deal with them, you hear? When the scammer them link you, I say you deal with them. Straight up. Same way. Well, my people, on a real level, as I can hear how these scammers, they be a face and how them stay, my people. They might tell me, say, me win 800,000 plus me win new phone plus even t-shirt, which me want a t-shirt we have. What me I gonna do with for them t-shirt? You understand? Which me know they know nothing, but me gonna say. Me have the latest Samsung phone, my people. You get me? Samsung are my brand. Me not use Apple, me not use iPhone and them something. I love Samsung. So when them gonna tell me say me win the latest Samsung, my people, me not need it because I have already. You see me? 800,000 for sure. Me not have them the type of money there. You see me? No, sir. But me not want him money. Me good, my people. Me have life. Life are the greatest. You see it? But these scammers just think say everybody is fool. And everybody head them can plot run. You hear people listening voice from a hear him sound, definitely a Nigerian, and told them be a face and fool my people. Them even think I know say Google is out there. A lot of people using Google to research stuff. See, so once you take these area code and research it, it's going to show you say this is not an American number. Wait a church time is not America. You see me? But these little fool now my people. You get me? Just feel like so them can go around and plot up everybody head. And then wow. So I need even give him a chance for submitting the paper. Boy, I'm going to submit and I fill in the information and send it. But me I say I should make him do it, you know. So at least you could see what the documents really do look like. But when me talk to my people and I say, no, I even not go too further with him. That's why I just put him in a place. And for show you how them be a face. Even though I run him with my people and hang up the phone because he was the one who ended the call. You understand when he hear me say such and such. He managed still, I text him back and say, when you need to stop the wickedness, stop scam people and this and that. Managed to say, I like him, I say, I don't understand you, sir. You see me? For sure you say, them just feel like, yeah, but people, they're everywhere, you know. So we have scammers at Jamaica, we have scammers everywhere, India, Nigeria. But in Nigeria, them things start, my people. They say they start with scamming. We all hear the history, you understand? But as I say, man, you just have to be aware out there and be cautious, my people. When I see I get a phone call about you win money and win this through WhatsApp and through that, people not fall for them trick. We know that things rough and things hard and time, and me not lie. Lot of us we are grateful for know so we could have win some big money, win some this, win some that, my people. But you have to just be careful. Because once you do send them certain information, that's what them want. When them tell you to fill in these things and full up this and full up that, my people. Through my email on a daily basis, there's tons of scammers, you understand, who try to contact me. you send me this new link, this, that through email. Whereas you're there on YouTube, that's when the most scammers try to target my people. Me I tell you the truth. So I always just be cautious and always on the lookout for them my people, because on a real level, me no want to get scammed. Me no want to get, you get what me ask my people, but big up on yourself, man, and I just more love, more blessings, and thank you for the love, the support, the like, the share, and every comments and people. You don't know, say, I want team, I want dream, I want scheme, and just stay safe and just do the right thing, my people. Peace out and blessings, man, and you don't know, stay safe out there, my people. Big up, blessings, attack, big up.